They've inspired me through their strength and simplicity of form and the very direct encounter with the materials of porcelain and glaze coming together in a really superb unity. I'm always trying to reach for the quality of glaze and the quality of surface and the integration between porcelain and glaze that the Chinese monochromes have. Flame is made of 44 individual porcelain pots. The porcelain has been slip cast and then modeled by hand. And the glazes have at their base an old Chinese glaze recipe called a Longquan, which I variously color with different pigments, moving from yellow through to orange, through to red. For me, color is all about movement. It's the most unknowable substance, but never quite pin it down because it's always in flux. A flame is very literally a journey from one color to another color, from yellow through to orange, through to red. And this idea that by having multiples of pots sort of stacked together visually, when we look at it, we're not seeing a static object. We're seeing something in movement, a bit like watching the surface of water. So they really remain a lodestar for me, Chinese monochromes, in all that I do.